Yeah, what's up, everybody? It's me, Kosha, looking at you in the camera in some sunny, warm place where it's probably really nice, but it's not really nice over here. It's a crazy snowstorm. Just want to show you guys what's going down. There's mad snow. You see, that's supposed to be a tree, and it's a couple thumbs up. There's no Abba's on my case, trying to get me to shovel this snow. He's not available for comment right now. So, I hope you guys are warm wherever you are. And Arnold, are you here? Arnie, come here, buddy. Come here. Let me show you guys Arnold. Up, 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 up. Come on. Arnold's out there in the snow, trying to hold it down for everybody. Ain't that right? Yeah. So, anyways, wherever you guys are, stay warm. Don't play in the snow. It's dangerous. Just want to show you guys the front of the house. Yeah, yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Crazy wind gusts. Cars are buried. People are struggling to live. We don't know whether they'll live or if they'll die. But stay tuned. And yeah, new music coming soon. Kosha Dillz. Peace, y'all.